guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm planning for the week beginning May 23rd to the 29th in my memory planner using this Merbabe kit from SMC. I paired it with another Planner foil bundle, or like make your own foil bundle, and this time I used Purple Hollow, I think that's what it's called. So if you didn't already know, for the month of May, excluding the first week, I decided to do a mermaid kit. So I used 3 mermaid kits in a row, and I love them all, and I love these underlays, and yeah, I've just been having a blast. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So I'm going to carry on with questions while I am waiting for the base to be complete, basically. So I got this kit. This is like an old kit, and I got it last minute because the one I wanted just sold out from Express. So I don't have a 50mm, and also I didn't have any add-on boxes, so I just used the boxes that were in the kit, and then I had to make do with the extra box that I needed. So I used like the pattern box, and then I put the May script in it, so I thought it looked good anyways. And I think I put 2 overlays on it to fill up the space because I had no quote boxes. But anyways, let's carry on with the questions while we're here. So have you ever had a nickname, and what is it? I do have plenty of nicknames. I feel like I've done these questions before. It just feels very deja vu-ish. Okay, are you related or distantly related to anyone famous? No, I am not. What do you do to keep fit? Nothing, sadly. Does your family have a motto, spoken or unspoken? Not really, no. If you were the ruler of your own country, what would be the first law you would introduce? That's a hard question. Would I want it to be something selfish or something selfless? Selfishly, I would make all restaurants have to have halal food so I could eat everything. I don't know. Selfless, there's too many options, and apparently I'm already finished with the base, so let's go into it. So on the sidebar I noted going to visit my work with this teacher or like classroom sticker from Goldman and Coco. I then noted it was the 14th week of my maternity leave with this Bella Plan Ella Gal and a week 14 script from PMD stickers. So starting with Monday, of course I colour blocked, obviously. I used a bed sticker from the Planner Hannah icon sheet, and a tired AF script also from Planner Hannah to note being super tired. Then noted waking up with a backache with this paper K gal. I noted that Malik was super sleepy this day with this Beneva's Creation baby in a like nest. I then marked cuddling with my son with this Make Plans mum and baby sticker and a Malik cuddle script from Carly Plans. I noted making some breakfast with this like eggs and bacon sticker from Carly Plans, I think. Yeah, this is the Carly Plans one. Then I marked binge watching Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. with this I think this is the Maria sticker from 71 Sticker Co. I believe the shop is no longer open, and a binge watch script from Make Plans. Then I did a Plan With Me binge with a planner sticker from Paper K and a Plan With Me binge script from what's it called? Planner Hannah. I noted getting some takeout with this takeouts icon from Planner Hannah. Then I noted a grocery delivery with this grocery bag that's like a leftover from Paper Candy Art, and a grocery delivery script from Carly Plans. On Tuesday I marked cuddling my baby with this Pink Diamond Planner Co girl with her baby and a Malik Cuddles custom script from Carly Plans. Noted making breakfast again with the same sticker I used on Monday. I marked Plan With Me binge the same I did on Monday. I tried to keep the same stickers for the same things if I can, unless I'm colour blocking and each of them a different colour, but I try the best I can to do that. I use this Fury sticker from 71 Sticker Co. to note more binge watching Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. binge watch script once again from Make Plans. I noted doing some planning with this also paper gal and a planning time script from SBC. I used this meal prep sticker from the foil bundle and a cooked dinner script from Make Plans to note that. I noted my husband came in with this Sweet Ava's paper gaming snowball and a J gaming custom script from Make Plans. Then I noted that my baby was super hungry this day with this breastfeeding snowball sticker from Sweet Ava's paper. On to Wednesday, I noted pumping some milk with another Sweet Ava's paper sticker. Then I noted cuddling with my baby with this paper K mum and baby sticker and a Malik cuddle script from Carly Plans. So the paper K of like baby stickers or like a mum and child stickers, you can't really tell, like there's no like way to tell gender. Of course they have different colours, but it's just the sheets are different colours, so I just use them for my son, even though sometimes I feel like it looks a bit girly, but I don't mind. Then I used another breakfast sticker to not eat breakfast. I noted binge watching more Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. with a Agent May sticker and the binge watch script. Then I used another AU paper gal to note planning time. The planning time script is from SBC, as I said. Then noted that my husband got home late this day with a house sticker from the foil bundle. I noted having some late night spaghetti for dinner with this cutlery sticker from Carly Plans. And then I noted being super tired with this bed sticker from the kit and a tired as a mother script from Planner Hannah. Moving on to Thursday. So on Thursday, October Thursday, I marked waking up early with an alarm clock sticker from the kit and an up early script from Planner Hannah. I noted getting ready with this Jalen Paperco Starshine Girl in a bath time script from Planner Hannah. Next I noted packing the nappy bag with a nappy bag sticker from Papershire. Then I noted driving to work with this car seat sticker from Papershire as well. In the extender, I noted that Malik met everyone, meaning like my colleagues and all the classes. Like I went from nursery all the way to Essex with this Glam Planner sticker. I noted sorting out like my return date with this book sticker from the foil bundle. And used this Crying Baby from Whimsical Cat Studio and a Moody Malik custom script from Adorable Designs to note that he was super grumpy and crying for most of the time we were there. I used this Beneath His Creation baby laughing sticker to know that there was one autistic kid that he seemed to love so much, and they were playing together and I thought it was so cute. I used a heart icon from the foil bundle and a family time script from Planner Face to note going to my aunt's house afterwards. I used these two, the script and icon, both from Planner Hannah to note YouTube binge. I used a alarm clock from YouTube binge with nursery rhymes, I remember, at my aunt's house. This is alarm clock sticker from the foil bundle to note that we got home a bit late. I used this PMD stickers man and a baby, and a with Papa script from Tilly Journals to note that he cuddled with his dad when we got home because obviously he missed him. And I used this munchkin sticker to note I was super tired, and used a tired as a mother script from Planner Hannah. Then I noted some late night pumping with this Sweet Ava's paper snowball sticker. On to Friday, I noted my husband being off work with this house sticker from Paper Candy Art. I noted getting to sleep in, which I loved, with this Paper Candy Girl and a sleeping script from Planner Hannah. Of course, I noted that Malik was with his dad because that's how I got to sleep in, with another PMD sticker. I use this a lot because they're such neutral colours, and with Papa custom script from Tilly Journals. I noted that Malik was in a bit of a mood with this crying sticker from Bubba Bear Studio and a Moody Malik custom script from Adorable Designs. I noted binging more Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. with a Fury sticker and a binge watch script from Make Plans. Then I noted doing my husband's hair with a Carly Plans hair sticker. Even though I don't really use any of these, there's not that many like afro hair like icons that I could use. So if you were a shop owner, please bring something I could use to mark doing afro-like hair, afro comb or crochet hook, especially for my locks. I'm asking and begging here. Okay, and then I noted Malik snuggling with his dad with this baby wearing sticker from Month's Way of Love and a daddy snuggled script from Carly Plans. Then noted doing some self-care with this shaving gel from Fox and Cactus and a self-care script from Planner Hannah. So I think I was probably doing some shaving and taking a longer shower than I usually would. Then I noted that we took a family walk with this family time sticker from ScribblePrintsCo and a walk sticker from Naturallyads Crafts. And then noted that Malik was super sleepy on our walk and slept like the whole time we were in the park with this Glam Planner sticker. I noted sitting down and having like a picnic with my husband in the park, well, on benches while he was sleeping, with this couple sticker from Paper K and a With My Love script from the foil bundle. Then I used this paper and milk planner sticker and a planning time script from SPC to note doing some planning time as I returned home. On to Saturday, marked that Malik slept all night because he was super tired, with this crib sticker from PMD Stickers. Hopefully you can see it because it's at the top of the extender. Then marked doing some more pumping. I don't know why I was pumping so much. With this munchkin sticker. And then I noted waking up early with this alarm clock sticker from Naturallyads Crafts. I noted eating some bagels for breakfast with this bagel sticker from Carly Plans. I noted more planning with a also paper gel and a plan script from SPC. Next, I noted that my uncle came over to the house with a house sticker from the foil bundle, not from the foil bundle, from the kids. I noted that my husband went out with this Make Plans boy sticker. I noted getting some takeout, well, my husband getting us some takeout with this cutlery sticker from the foil bundle again. And then I noted pulling stickers with this Jalen Paper Co. Starshine Gal and a pull sticker script from Carly Plans. Next, I noted editing a plan with me with this TV sticker from Olive Studio and an edit plan with me script from, I think it's from Sugarbox Stickers, but I don't know for sure, but I feel like that's what it's from. Next, I noted a late night with the Sleep Mask sticker from Paper K and a late night script from Planner Hannah. Finally, on to Sunday. So at the top of Sunday, I marked being super tired with this words are hard. Want to move love, sleeping munchkin, and a so freaking tired script from Sweet Ava's paper, I believe from the paper feel. Then I used this sub sticker from the Crafty Planner. I don't know if I mentioned it at the start, but I do PR for the Crafty Planner code. So if you use my code ADIA215, you can get 15% off of your order and my freebie. Make sure you get your order in before the end of October so you can get your October freebies. Hopefully this is out before the end of October. I don't know when I'm posting this video, but that's to note that we got Subway for breakfast. Then I noted we also got Starbucks with this like unicorn sticker from Sweet Kawaii Design because they matched, and a Starbucks script from from the foil bundle. I used this Beneath Creation camera sticker to note filming a plan with me. The film Plan With Me script is possibly from Sugarbox Stickers, as I said. Then noted watching some TV with my husband with this Beneath Creation couple watching TV sticker and a With My Love script from Planner Hannah. Then noted drinking some Red Bulls with this energy drink sticker from Olive Studio. Then noted doing some laundry with this sticker Planco Girl and a laundry script from the foil bundle. Then I noted that my husband's friend and his girl came over with this Cheers glass sticker from the foil bundle. So that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of this spread. So I'm going to show you guys a bit of a wiggle and then I will let you know what's left from the kit. So I hope you guys enjoy it.